all the ones who had to attend for the practical, and then we were called one by one. Okay, with both our charts. So the board was divided into two parts. One part your one chart you had to explain, and then the other part you had to do the other chart. So one by one, both the practicals were taken simultaneously in the same room, right? After the presentation, our teaching was done. Then they have called us one by one at the back of the room, and Viva was conducted. So she was just asking everything related to your file only, right? What you have done throughout the file, where your internship was, for how many days it was. So you have to be prepared with that. Practical knowledge, right? So teaching, it could be for 1 minute also, but you have to be very firm with it. अगर आप लैग करोगे या फिर आपको नहीं पता आपके टॉपिक के बारे में, so they might ask you to repeat again, right? Other than that, if you are confident, you are able to present your thoughts, then it is okay. So they might ask you. It could be for 1 minute also, 2-3 minutes also, and then it could be detailed also, one by one. Right? That's it. This is what happened in my practical. सेम यहाँ पर भी होगा, एंड देन टॉपिक, what topic you are taking in, ठीक है? And supposedly you have you will be carrying your charts with you, right?
क्लास नहीं करवाया क्योंकि कौन सी क्लास को
क्लास तो आई थिंक वो टॉपिक वाइज ही था. हाँ, क्लास यू कैन मेंशन, यहाँ पे क्लास भी लिखो. मतलब जो जो टॉपिक्स है वो ऑन द स्पॉट एग्जामिनर ही बता दे कि आपको क्या क्या ये मेंशन कर दो. सो ये तो बेसिक है. रोल नंबर, योर क्लास, व्हाट क्लास यू आर टीचिंग, द टॉपिक दैट यू हैव सिलेक्टेड, एंड व्हाट सब्जेक्ट. सो वन सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर हो जाएगा एंड वन सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर हो जाएगा, राइट? प्लीज डू कैरी द डबल टेप behind your chart papers, because you will have to attach the chart paper on the board, and सारी teaching majorly chart paper से related होती है, and then you have to please write also on the board.